240 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In one of the earlier videos, I have given a small interesting mini quiz. I asked you to convert this phrase. அவனுக்கு தலை வலிக்குது, that is, he has headache, to he has headache it seems, without using போலருக்கு. I did not have an answer till date, but it's an easy one, and that's what we are going to learn today. A very common phrase construction in spoken Tamil. Today we have a new voice to our channel. One of our enthusiastic members learning Tamil.
இந்த ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட் ஒன்றுமே புரியல.
In the spreadsheet ஒன்றுமே புரியல. She's saying that to him, the one wearing a glass. His name is we'll call him Mr. BBC. You'll understand why soon. In the spreadsheet ஒன்றுமே புரியல. Now BBC goes straight to the boss and says, Sir, அவங்களுக்கு ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட் ஒன்றுமே புரியலையாம். அவங்களுக்கு ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட் ஒன்றுமே புரியலையாம். This is the syntax you generally add to convey it seems. அவங்களுக்கு ஒன்றுமே புரியலை is she doesn't understand anything, and she doesn't understand anything it seems is அவங்களுக்கு ஒன்றுமே புரியலையாம். So that at the end makes all the difference.
சம்பளம் ஏற்றி கொடுக்கலனா வேலையை விட்டுடலாம். சம்பளம் ஏற்றி கொடுக்கலனா வேலையை விட்டுடலாம்.
சம்பளம் ஏற்றி தரலனா வேலையை விட்டுடலாம். So these two girls are well off. They're not desperate to earn. They just go around the canteen, enjoy, but they still want more money. சம்பளம் ஏற்றி கொடுக்கலனா வேலையை விட்டுடலாம். Now Mr. BBC overhears it and he goes to the head of the HR and says, Madam, அவங்க சம்பளம் ஏற்றி தரலனா வேலையை விட்டுடுவாங்களாம். So விட்டுடுவாங்க means they would leave, and விட்டுடுவாங்களாம் is they would leave it seems. When you add this that is it seems, it is not really clear how you got the information. Probably they told you or someone told you. So the HR might even ask, did they tell you, or did you overhear it, or did someone else tell you? So it is just like the English it seems. It's not very clear like whether they told you or someone told you, etc.
மிஸ்டர் ரவி, நாளைக்கு 7 மணிக்கெல்லாம் நீங்கள் இங்கே இருக்கணும், புரியுதா?
Well, a tough, ruthless lady boss wants one of her employees to be at the office at 7 in the morning. Winter, cold, but still 7 to 9 in the evening. But she's ruthless. Now he goes home and he is sulking. அந்த ராட்சசி சொல்லுது 7 மணிக்கெல்லாம் இருக்கணுமா. That lady monster is telling that I have to be there at 7 it seems. So she has told him directly, but adding it seems is just a variation in a style of phrasing. அந்த ராட்சசி சொல்லுது 7 மணிக்கெல்லாம் இருக்கணுமா. That lady monster is telling that I have to be there by 7 it seems. Let's just take one verb, that is panna, and see how to construct it. It'd be very useful to see how this it seems goes with each of the verb and the subject. That is, I do pannura will become pannurena, pannura, pannuraya, pannura, pannurana, pannura. So this L is a little silent. So when you say pannurala, that L is very distinct. பண்ணுது, பண்ணுதான், பண்ணுறாரு, பண்ணுறாராம், பண்ணுறாங்க, பண்ணுறாங்களாம், பண்ணுறோம், பண்ணுறோமா, பண்ணுறீங்க, பண்ணுறீங்களாம், பண்ணுறாங்க, பண்ணுறாங்களாம். So when you are very thorough with the pronunciation of the each of the personal pronoun, be it present tense, past tense, or future tense, or any tenses, you know that how to add that at the end. It's just that you complete it, the verb conjugation, and then add but it comes very easy with a little practice. It's not a difficult thing. It's just you hear a couple of times and you can do for all the verbs. Similarly, if it is negative, it is varala, means did not come. Varalaya, theriyala, didn't know or do not know, that becomes theriyalaya. Pudikala, did not like or do not like, that is pudikkalaya. So when it is negative, it is always varala, varalaya, theriyala, theriyalaya, pudikkala, pudikkalaya, etc. And it will be also useful for you to say how that has to be added for each of the personal pronoun. I don't have to explain it. It's very easy. You can have a look here. I have a small test for you based on what you have learned in this video. Look at these phrases. What are they offering as gifts? And you say, TV it seems. Likewise, try to do it for all the phrases. And if you wish to discuss anything, clear your doubts, and improve your Tamil at an amazing speed, join the Telegram group to participate and interact with many learners of all levels. You can send a mail to learnandspeaktamil@gmail.com to join. Best wishes and vanakkam.